Good morning, students, and welcome to the second class for English language. Today, we will be doing notice writing and email. Notice is a short composition which is direct, formal, and straightforward in style. The notice is an important form of written communication used by individuals, organizations, schools to convey information about any function, event, occasion, or to announce something that has happened or is about to happen. The notices are factual and always to the point. The language to be used in a notice is simple and formal. These notices are put up on display boards in schools or at public places. A notice should contain all the necessary details such as a creative title. It should have the name of the event, the date, the time, and the venue of the event. And in the end, it needs to have a concluding sentence. You must remember that a notice need not be in a box, and you do not need to write the word notice on the top. The date depicts the date of the event. So it should be a date which is 15 days in the future. Meaning that if you are writing your notice today, the date in the notice must be 15 days ahead. The venue, it should be smaller to bigger. There should be a close connection between the venues. Example, Auditorium, St. Stephen's School. You cannot write auditorium, Chandigarh. On the left side, I have given you the format of the notice. The notice, at the top, we must have a creative title. Next line is the name of the event. Leave a line, write the date, time, venue. Leave a line and then give the concluding sentence. In the sample notice, you have been asked to inform students of classes 9 and 10 about an inter-school debate competition. Draft a notice with all the necessary details. We begin the notice such. Creative title is War with Words. Name of the event is Inter-School Debate Competition. Leave a line, the date, 3rd May 2020. Next line is the time, 9 a.m. to 12 noon because it is the duration. And the venue is Auditorium, St. Stephen's School. Leave a line, concluding sentence. The competition is only for the students of classes 9 and 10. Interested students may get their names registered with the debate club in charge. Please ensure that you do not repeat any of the information which has been given above. Using the format and the sample notice given, an assignment, your school is organizing a charity drive for the underprivileged children of the nearby locality. Write a notice to be put up in your school informing students about the event and inviting them to participate in the charity drive. Second assignment, you are the literary captain of your school. You have been asked to inform students of classes 9 to 12 about an inter-school dramatics competition to be held at Tagore Theatre, Chandigarh. Draft a notice for the school notice board with all the necessary details. Students, please ensure that this assignment is done again in your English language notebook. Thank you. Email. Email stands for electronic mail. An email is a message distributed by electronic means from one computer user to one or more recipients via a network. The steps for writing an email. Type the email ID of the recipient in the to field. Compose the subject of the email in the subject line. Then write a proper salutation. Example, you could write sir or madam. Write the body of the email or the message that you want to send in 3 paragraphs similar to letter writing. Remember, in the body, you must mention the date, the time, and the venue of the event. At the end, we will write the subscription. Like a formal letter, you will write yours faithfully, or if it is a letter to the editor, then you must write yours truly. In case the email is to be sent to multiple recipients, then you may use CC below to. The date, the time, and venue mentioned in the email must coincide with that given in the notice. Salutation and subscription is same as that of the formal letter. There is no need to write the designation or the name of the school under it. The subject line is the first part of the email that the recipient will see. Therefore, when entering the subject line, be sure to include the important information such as what is the email about. That is the event that you are writing about. Avoid using capital letters or abbreviations in emails. And ensure that you give an appropriate closing to the email. Format of the email, write to. After that, write the subject, leave a line. Then you must give your opening sentence, which should have or inform the person about the reason why you are writing the email. In the second paragraph, include the date, time, and the venue. In a concluding sentence, you could always ask them to contact you, or you look forward to their kind cooperation. Leave a line, write the subscription, yours faithfully, with the comma. A sample email, write an email to the principal of a neighboring school inviting students to participate in the inter-school debate competition. 2. Write the address of the principal. It has to be in all small letters. The subject, inviting students to participate in the inter-school debate competition. Leave a line, sir, comma, leave a line. On behalf of the school principal, I take this opportunity to invite a 3-member team to participate in the inter-school debate competition. The competition will be held on 3rd May 2020 from 9 a.m. to 12 noon in the auditorium, St. Stephen's School. The topic for the debate will be given an hour before. The participants must reach the venue by 7:45 a.m. Looking forward to your kind cooperation. Thanking you. Yours faithfully, comma, Rajesh Kumar. That is, you must write your full name at the end. Keeping in mind the format which has been given for your email and notice, an assignment, write an email to the principal of a neighboring school requesting him or her to allow the students of his or her school to participate in the charity drive being organized by your school. Second, as the literary captain of your school, write a letter to the manager of Tagore Theatre, Chandigarh, asking him for the reservation of 80 seats in the auditorium for the staff and students from your school during the duration of the inter-school dramatics competition. Both these emails are connected to the notice assignment which was given earlier. Please ensure that you use the same information given in the notice in your emails. This work is again to be done in your notebooks.